What's the meaning of augury? Augury. Augury.
Augury. Augury. Augury is the practice of interpreting signs and omens to gain insight into the future. It was commonly used in ancient times by the Greeks and Romans, who believed that certain natural occurrences, such as the flight patterns of birds or the appearance of lightning, could predict future events. Augury was also used in religious ceremonies to determine whether the gods were pleased or displeased with a particular action. Today, the term augury is often used metaphorically to refer to any attempt to predict the future, particularly through divination or prophecy.